everybody! I hope you all have been doing well and taking care of yourselves. So today in this video I wanted to show you guys how to make some really cute beaded necklaces. I've been seeing these mostly on Instagram, like ads and people's posts, and I've also noticed that like the whole child's jewelry, I guess, is a trend now. Which, I mean, I'm a fan. I think they're so cute, and like the colors and the little pop of color is really cute. But yeah, so I wanted to make a little video showing how easy it is to make this kind of jewelry at home. It is relatively cheap to make. I think the total cost for supplies that I bought was around $26 Canadian, which is honestly pretty good price considering how many necklaces I can make. And yeah, so it's a really fun little project, and let's get into it. So for supplies you will need some jewelry cord. I chose to get stretchy kind, but honestly you could probably get away with just using like a string or something. You'll need some beads, of course. I got these from Michael's as well as most of the other supplies. These are just little glass seed beads. I think you could even go a little bit smaller with the sizing. Next you'll need some lobster clasps. You can use any clasp you like, and I would recommend you could also just tie either end of the cord together, but I find that stretching the cord over your head multiple times takes a toll on the jewelry, and if you want it to last, clasps are a good idea. And then to attach the clasps to the cord, you're going to need some jump rings. And then some pliers. You can also use your fingers if they are strong and small, but mine are not. And of course, some scissors. I almost forgot, but you are going to want a beading needle. If you don't have a beading needle, an embroidery needle works as well to do a daisy stitch. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to measure out your cord. You can use a ruler to do this and just measure out standard necklace lengths such as 16 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, or whatever you like. But I kind of prefer just to take the cord and wrap it around my neck and kind of estimate where I want the necklace to fall. Regardless, you're going to want to make sure you have a couple inches of excess cord because we do need to attach the jump rings and you don't want to run out of cord. So the next thing you're going to want to do is attach one jump ring to one end of the cord. I think the best way to do this is to really tightly tie the cord onto the ring, making sure to do a ton of little knots and really pulling those knots tight, just as tight as you can. And then you're ready to start beading. I like to do kind of like a mismatch sort of a look for my necklaces. I like doing a random pattern of beads that I pre-select and like organize. I think it's a cute look. And like so. So for the daisy stitch, you are going to want to select 6 beads that will be your petals for the flower. And then you're going to take that needle and just feed it through the cord. Like so. And then this part is kind of hard to explain. I'll try my best, but I will link the website that I learned this from in the description. But essentially you're going to poke the needle through the first bead in the sequence and pull that through to create like a little circle, like so. And then you're going to take your center bead and feed that through the cord and the needle, and you're going to place it in the middle of that little circle, so just feeding the needle through and placing it in the center of that little circle and arranging the beads around, of course. And then taking the needle, you're going to skip 2 beads from where you first inserted the needle, and you're going to insert it through the bottom of that 3rd bead and pull it through like so. And then pull, and everything should be nice and secure, and you can play around with the bead placement. And there's your little daisy. And I just kept repeating this pattern sort of thing of doing a couple of beads, probably like 2 inches, maybe less, just feeding it through and then doing a daisy stitch. I kind of had a lot of fun with this. I don't know about you, but beading is really therapeutic, I gotta say. And there you have it. So to finish off the necklace, I attached another jump ring to the other end of the necklace and really made sure that was nice and secure. Then to attach the clasp, you are going to use your pliers to ply open that little jump ring so that there's a space big enough to insert the clasp. And then taking your pliers again, just close that off. The last thing left to do is to snip off any excess cord. And that's pretty much it. Your necklace is really cute and complete. So I wanted to make another necklace using these blue beads. You can use this method to make bracelets, just use a shorter cord, and the possibilities are truly endless. I think it's a great little fun project, and yeah. Here's the completed necklace. And then I decided to make some rings. So you're just going to take a really short cord and tie both ends. You're not going to need clasps for this ring. So you're going to really tighten one end. And then you're just going to essentially repeat the daisy stitch as many times as you want to create a cute little ring. Then you're just going to tie either ends of the cord. and it's as simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I also hope you got some inspiration to make some of your own jewelry. Tag me if you do on Instagram or something. Also, thank you for subscribing for all of you who have. It means a lot to me. I just really appreciate all of you guys. So thank you. I'll see you on the next one and take care.